Can you check in the SIL? It is not considered, this alarm, SIL and also. Can you check, please?
Yeah. So, okay.
There will be
Yeah, can you go to the worksheet of Hazard first? And let's see whether this FAL is there. Just some no need.
in Hazop,
Yeah,
actually,
there's no-
it's note number 2 only. First is separator, I think this.
Yeah.
What is tag number? I will search. What is tag number? FAL? FAL dash
020902.
0
Just
hyphen 0209.
no.
no 0209 FAL 0209.
0209.
Yeah. No, remove
Oh,
that
no
02,
hyphen.
right?
Remove that hyphen. Remove that hyphen.
This is correct?
Remove that 02.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
this
yes.
one. Yeah.
So it is not showing.
No. Remove the hyphen.
Okay. Like this? Space. Huh?
Yeah, space, right? Just see.
Space not coming.
There,
I will consider, let me search 029. There will be many 029.
No. There is a one guide called low flow, right?
Low flow. Yes, let me go in this low flow. So this is no flow, less flow. It is here.
No less flow, no less.
But this is slack catcher. This is slack catcher. So this is this is why I need the PNID.
So
This is FAL, PAL.
otherwise, go to level.
This is cascaded with the level.
Yeah,
No,
it's
so-
cascading to level. Yeah,
Yeah.
go to level.
PAH. No,
Low level, LSDL.
no.
Low level structure, high level structure. It could be a recommendation, huh? Already forgot. There's so many.
Long time.
Long time. So
Yeah,
1 year
I-
already.
Yeah, more than it. So I will again search with FAL. Let me search with FAL.
Provide updates. Let's see.
No, in second separator. No. So can someone from
We are also searching.
yeah, don't worry.